Hi, I'm Mike Diskin, Managing Director of Halifax Numerical Controls. Around 2008-2009, I started looking around to develop a product, and I got introduced to the rubber roller market, and it really all started from there. Up till that point, companies had been using an old lathe with a grinding attachment fitted to it, or they were using automotive type grinding machines, which were very expensive. So there was a need for an automated machine to grind and groove the rollers. And that primarily is our flagship machine, which is a grinding and grooving machine. We also offer calibration services on machine tools for our customers as well. Previously, when measuring the flatness and straightness of the beds, we used a telescope with a fishing line stretched from one end of the bed to the other. That was prone to temperature changes, especially if somebody opened the roller shutter door in the factory, then you could visibly see the fishing line move and create all sorts of problems reading the errors. It took approximately half a day to set up and 2 hours to take the readings. A lot of that time was using graph paper and plotting the graphs out and the readings out, and there was also errors between operators on that as well. We were looking for equipment that could quickly and easily measure the straightness and flatness of the bed and also record the readings. We already had a Renishaw laser. We knew the people at Renishaw very well, so the sales representative and had a good chat, and while we were there I noticed the XK10, so he gave me a briefing on the product, and it was just what we were looking for. We can now set it up in 20 minutes, take the readings within 10-20 minutes. The readings are far more accurate and instantly available to visualise on the screen. So it really was a game changer for our manufacturing of the beds. Our customers have benefited by getting the machines on their site quicker. We can now quantify any errors that might be there, and we can set the machines up on the initial commissioning better and also offer support through the life of the machine. We can now offer a calibration service to our existing customers on our machines, but we're also looking to set up a separate arm to the business, calibrating machine tools in the area. Renishaw has been fantastic to work with. They are always on the telephone to offer support, they offer training, and if we need to, we can visit their site anytime and go through the products. So yeah, it's really excellent.